we go.
Hey guys, it dawned on me that I forgot one step in this whole process. The NPP system has those two actuators in the exhaust, and we unplugged them and we put electrical tape around them, but we never pulled the fuse. So I just wanted to go over that with everyone real quick, because that's a step you want to take to make sure there's no electricity flowing through that system. You know, even with the tape wrapped up around those plugs, you can still get dirt and stuff in there. You don't want to short circuit anything or have any voltage problems. So we're going to go through how to pull the fuse on the NPP system. Okay, so I got the hood open, fuse box cover off, and you see here, the one we're after is that F51. So you see 15 amp rear exhaust valve. So we're just going to pull that one. And if we look here, let's get them next to each other. Hopefully you guys can see that. So F51, we got K4, which is that guy right there. Let me point at it, hold on. K4, K5, K6, K7, K8. You see over here, K4, 5, 6, K7, K8. We're after F51. So it'll be that 15 amp fuse right there. You see that first spot, F52, is not used. So we are looking at the right spot. So we want to pull that little 15 amp there. I've got a pair of needle nose pliers here, and we're just gonna yank that guy out. That's what it looks like. And that's all you need to do. This cover just snaps on. See a little clip up there, clip down there, and that's done.